9901 Greenview, beautiful Garfield, Ohio.
Obviously, anybody paying attention to the market knows rents have like freaking skyrocketed in this area over the last couple years, right? So $845 was a pretty darn good rent when that tenant was placed, but really you should be getting about $1145 for a unit like that, this nice in Garfield these days. More or less turnkey, tenant just moved out. This is like a nice, well-renovated, hardened unit, so it's just very, very, very minor stuff to get a new tenant in there. Welcome to the Investment Properties for Sale Show, folks. Thing is selling at or above list. We are going to provide you guys with complete transparency and education. We take you to the video tour of HoltonWiseTV, giving it to you straight. All right, y'all, we got a friggin' nice one today, man. This bad boy is clean, crisp, turnkey, ready to roll. 9901 Greenview, Garfield, coming to you at a pretty bargain price for how nice the property itself is, okay? $129,900. And what we've got is one unit that is currently occupied. Tenant's been in there for a while. The rent's a little bit cheaper than it should be, right? Obviously, anybody paying attention to the market knows rents have like freaking skyrocketed in this area over the last couple years, right? So $845 was a pretty darn good rent when that tenant was placed, but really you should be getting about $1145 for a unit like that, this nice in Garfield these days, right? So that vacant unit, you go ahead and you'll be able to put a tenant in there for $1145. It's more or less turnkey. Tenant just moved out. This is like a nice, well-renovated, hardened unit, so it's just very, very, very minor stuff to get a new tenant in there. The city in Garfield Heights, they issue what's called point-of-sale inspections. Whenever a seller goes to sell a property in the city of Garfield Heights, the city comes in and they issue a bunch of ticky-tack fines, really. It's kind of a joke, to be honest, but hey, man, that's the friggin' government. So they're going to come in. They've issued some minor ticky-tack stuff. Tyler, pop that up on the screen for everybody. We have like 12 line items. In it is like little shit, dude. Like, remove all bikes. Like, there's a friggin' bike or something when the guy was there that day. Like, I mean, come on. But yes, so little ticky-tack stuff. Buyer's going to need to assume that. No big deal. Very easy peasy. Other than that, the stuff that actually matters. Condition of the property looking great. Mechanicals looking great. Roof looking good. The amount of rent you're going to get in from this thing is amazing. All told, solid deal. Probably going to get multiple offers. I'd like you guys to do as much due diligence as you can before submitting those offers. So stick around. After I'm done talking, we'll show you the full unedited video tour from when my guys were in there. And if you want to get into that vacant unit prior to submitting your offer, that's not a problem either. I'll get you in there. Just email sales@HoltonWise.com. We'll get you into that unit same day if you hit us up before 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If not, we'll get you in there the next business day. And then you could submit your offers. Nothing is more obnoxious than somebody who doesn't watch the video tour or bother to tour a unit, and then they're just like spamming us offers, which we know mean like literally are not worth the paper they're written on, and it's a freaking email. There's not actually any paper. You catch my drift? Like, you don't take the time to look at the unit. You don't take the time to watch the video footage, but we're supposed to think that you actually have done your due diligence and your offer means something. Of course not. So let's go ahead and get all that due diligence done. Make sure we know you're serious, and then send your offer to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com. Include proof of funds if paying cash, pre-approval if financing. If you need lenders, I have lenders. Let's get a deal done.
9901 Greenview, beautiful Garfield, Ohio. Newer siding. garage has air conditioning? It's weird. Just realized I don't have my light with me. So, right there for a second. And we're back. Living room. Bedroom 1. Walk-in closet. And another sliding closet. Big ass second bedroom. Bedroom is huge. Bedroom. Nice shower. Oh, gee. Well, who the fuck is walking around in there?
Tried to move the pest control boxes as much as I could.
It's okay. I'm pretty good at cropping stuff out. To the lounge.
This would be directly to the left when we go there too.
That's yeah. Yep. This is the room that all this stuff is in, I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
Yep.
This back room's good too though.
Yeah. Well, I think the panels are in that room, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they might be.
Unless they're back here. No, they're back here. First floor. What?
Someone just texted and said they're trying to set up a time portal for their father, Jackie Robinson.
Oh, that's awfully nice, man. I don't think I'm thin enough to get to the other side of that, though. There's one furnace. The other furnace.
Two furnace.
Two furnaces here. Yeah, it's about as good as you're gonna get.
I don't know why it's not working here. It's kind of lame.
Washer dryer hookups. And this could almost be a third unit.
I know. So everybody that I used to show this unit to asked, like, well, who gets the basement? I'm like, well, it's shared. Can you just use it as like a laundry lounge, I guess?
Oh, that's a cool little window.
But I know the water meter's that little door from
Yeah, through here.
yeah, there's.
The old water meter. New one. Alright.
That's your road.
Yeah, we're good.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.